Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind me and my ratchetness right now. I obviously was doing her makeup and not my own. And today I did her, she's going out for a date night tonight for her 1-year anniversary. So we did her totally glammed up, this kind of golden goddess, berry colored makeup look. So if you want to see how we did this, just keep watching. So first I'm going to have her put a little bit of this Smashbox primer all over her face. I forgot which mascara I'm going to use. Now I'm going to have her take some of this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illuminator and put a little bit of this under her eyes. Ooh, sticky. Ew. Is that a good thing?
It's got some good coverage. Oh look, it is really nice. It gives a good coverage. It's just sticky.
Okay. I don't know how I feel about this It Cosmetics. It's a little cakey.
It's got good coverage. It's just a little bit goes a long way.
We'll have to test it out with a little less next time. So we're going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. And this is in
Light beige.
light beige. It's got this funky little stick on it.
No. Genius.
Wait, for real? Oh my gosh! That's...
It's got this... I don't know what this fucking little stick is.
That's how I was putting it on the other day. I was like wiping it on my face. I was like, well, this is a weird brush.
I feel so dumb. It's so embarrassing.
Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my foundation brush. And give her her full coverage. Now that we have the foundation on, we are going to go ahead and start with the eyes. Take a fluffy brush and the Colored Rain palette, and I'm going to use this air color here and go right into the crease with that and a little bit above. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and get this one. It's a matte pink. It's called Princess. And put that a little bit in the inner corner. We're going to do the halo. So now I'm going to take a precise crease brush and go in with this dark purple color here. It's called Ladyship. I'm focusing this color on the outer corner and then a little bit on the inner corner and just taking it, running it a little bit in the crease as well. Now I'm going to take that fluffy brush again and just blend out all those edges. Now I'm going to take a flat synthetic brush and this golden color, Your Majesty, right up here, and just place that right in the center of the lid.
Oh, so my eyes will be golden.
And you don't want to drag and sweep back and forth, just pat and pack that on the lid. This will help decrease the fallout. Now I'm going to take my crease brush again and just blend the edges just a bit. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is kind of a little less fluffy than the other one. This is a fluffy crease brush, but I'm just going to use it to pick up this light shimmery white color. It's called Crown, and just put a little bit of that right on the center of the lid and then a little bit under the brow. Okay, now for liner, I'm going to use the eyeco Skinny Liquid Liner and just create a little bit of a wing. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown and fill in the brows.
I haven't seen brows like I'm gonna do like a...
So now that we have the eyeshadow and liner and brows done, I'm just going to do some of the Shape Tape concealer in light and just put that under her eyes. The bridge of the nose, a little bit on the forehead, a little bit. Now I'm going to spritz my beauty blender with some rose water and then just blend that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my RCMA powder and this tapered brush and bake her under eye area. And then I'm just going to dust it everywhere else that we put concealer. I'm going to focus definitely on her laugh line so she doesn't crease up here. And let that sit on there for just a couple minutes. Now that that's done baking, I'm just going to dust that all away. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Fawn to contour. And I'm just going to do a little bit under her cheekbones and dot some around the forehead. And use this flat synthetic brush to contour the nose. Give her a nice snatched nose. Now I'm going to take this blending brush and my rose water and just spritz that a little bit. That's going to help it blend a lot nicer. So now I'm going to take this Tarte blush in Genius and the blush brush. And just go right on the apples of the cheeks and back a little bit. Now I'm going to use the Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter and just place this right on the high points of the cheeks. And use my beauty blender to blend that a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit for the highlight, and I'm going to use these two shades, or all three of these shades on the bottom. Forever Lit, Glow Getter, and 143. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Glow, baby, glow.
Oh, I'm glowing. Look at that glow. It's on point.
Now for under the lashes, I am going to use my fluffy brush and use this shade Princess that we use. It's that matte mauve-y color. We're going to just kind of buff that into the lower lash line to smoke that out a bit. I'm going to use a pencil brush and use Ladyship, that matte purple shade. Go right over top of that. Now I'm going to use the Lord & Berry black pencil liner on the lower lash line. This one's got a really nice creamy consistency. Goes on really smooth. Now I'm going to take the same colors from that glow kit and just pop some of that into the inner corner here. I'm going to let her just apply the mascara. This is the Maneater mascara from Tarte. And just apply a thin coat to the top and bottom. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Eye Jewels in white gold and use the glitter side to just put a little bit into the inner corner. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm going to be using the House of Lashes in Featherette. And I'm going to use the Tarte Lash Glue in Clear just to coat these a little bit. And I'm just going to let these get a little bit tacky. And use these Tarte lash applicators to just set that on top of the lashes. I'm just going to use these lash applicators just to squeeze the natural lashes and the falsies together a little bit. Now for lips, I'm going to use the Younique lip pencil in Pouty. I'm just going to lightly line the outside of her lips with that. Now I'm going to take the NYX Butter Lipstick, this shade Ripe Berry. Taking my Becca Aqua Luminous Concealer and my flat synthetic brush to clean up around the lips. So now for the setting spray. As always, I'm just going to use my Skindinavia setting spray. And just mist that over the whole face. So it lasts all night long. So this completes the look. It's very like berry gold color. Definitely very glam, and you can do it with or without the glitter in the inner corner, but it's just real fun for like nighttime glam look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you seen this room? It's gorgeous. Doesn't this backdrop smell like vomit?
I'm not gonna smell it now. Why were you smelling your backdrop?
I smelled it when I put it out. This sucks.
It does really suck. I got it on your basket.
She got it on my ottoman.
I needed to wipe it on something.
You wiped it on there on purpose? Just gonna go ahead and put it on the brush.
You broke it. I'm not even light beige.
You're not even a beige. Do you have this in translucent?
Do you have this in a clear? They're uneven. I'm dubious. I look dubious.
Make sure you watch it.
Did you get that in your mouth?
Yeah. Oh,
you got a little on your canine, on your bicuspid. Your lateral incisor.
My lateral incisor has some lipstick.
So, why do I always mess this up?
Ooh.